Indonesia, with a population of 273 million, facing a lot of problems on the island of Java, where about 70% of Indonesians live. Road congestion, particularly in and around its major cities, challenging its intercity connectivity. With this in mind, Indonesia's government building an effective public transport system. Jakarta-Bandung High Speed Railway line, a mega railway project which is set to become Southeast Asia's first high-speed rail line.
One of the biggest investment projects in the country is a high-speed railway between the capital Jakarta and Bandung in West Java.
Indonesia President Joko Widodo and Chinese State Councillor Wang Yong attended the ceremony.
$5 billion high-speed train project.
The 150-kilometer railway will link the capital with Bandung in West Java.
Both Japan and China had expressed their interest in the high-speed rail projects in Indonesia. Both countries had carried out comprehensive studies for the project. The Indonesian high-speed rail bid marked rivalry between Japan and China in their competition for Asian infrastructure projects. But in late September 2015, Indonesia awarded the rail project to China. The project is being developed by PT Kereta Cepat Indonesia China, a joint venture formed in October 2015 between a consortium of Indonesian state-owned companies and China Railway International, with Indonesia having 60% interest in the joint venture, while China has 40%. In January 2016, the Transportation Minister released a route permit for a high-speed railway between Jakarta and Bandung. The proposed rail link will be 150 kilometers long, with approximate train speed estimated to be between 200 km per hour and 250 km per hour. It is expected that the travel time between the two cities will get reduced from 3 hours to 40 minutes. Daily passenger flow on the rail link is expected to be 44,000 on average, with this number increasing in later years. The high-speed railway line will have 4 stations along its route. First station will be located at Halim and will connect the high-speed rail to a planned light rail in Jakarta. Last station will be located at Tegal Luar in Bandung, with Karawang and Walini being the intermediate stations. The line costs around $8 billion. The project is financed through a Chinese loan, without aid from the Indonesian state budget. China Development Bank will provide approximately 75% of the funding, and the rest will be arranged by the joint venture partners. The loan will be for a 40-year period, with a 10-year grace period. In March 2017, the Indonesian government selected Japan as the partner for the revitalization of the railway connecting Jakarta and Surabaya. The project aimed to upgrade the speed of trains between two major Indonesian cities to higher speed rail with operating speeds of between 140 and 160 km per hour. The project Phase 1 covers the section from Jakarta to Semarang in the length of 436 km. While the Phase 2 covers the section from Semarang to Surabaya in the length of 284 km. In 2019, Indonesia and Japan signed a deal with an initial investment amount of $4.3 billion. This project is expected to shorten Jakarta-Surabaya train travel time from more than 10 hours to only 5 hours and 30 minutes. The construction is scheduled to start in 2022 and should be completed by 2025. Indonesia also launched an initiative to extend high-speed railway line from Bandung to Surabaya and invited Japan to take part in this project. Japan rejected the proposal because the Japanese investors kept insisting on their initial proposal from Jakarta to Surabaya. However, Indonesian government wants this railway line to pass through the south side of island. In accordance with this, the Indonesian government again invited China, which agreed to fund this project. The government also invited other investors to join the initiative, so the South Korea has recently been mentioned as possible partner in this project. The general manager of material equipment of PT KCIC stated that until March 2021 the construction of the Jakarta-Bandung High Speed Rail has reached 70% and is expected to be completed by the end of 2022.